integration in logical learning.
Plants in the surroundings and environment. Plant life. Plants play a very important role on earth. They provide food and oxygen to all other living things. Plants are seen almost everywhere. They grow on land, on mountains, in deserts and undersea. We know plants grow mostly from seeds when they get enough water, sun. Here are some parts of the plants. The parts of plants: roots, stem, leaves, flower. We will study about roots. Root is the underground part of the plant's body and grows towards the force of gravity. It fixes the plant within the soil and absorbs water and minerals nutrients from the soil. It stores excess food. Types of roots: taproot and fibrous root. Types of roots: taproots. It consists of one main long thick root growing downwards from which many thinner roots develop. Taproots goes deep into the soil for searching for water and minerals. Examples: sugar beet or carrot, bean, tea, people, etc. have taproot. Fibrous roots. In case of fibrous root, there is no main root. It consists of a dense equal size roots that arise from the stem. The roots grow downward and outward from the stem, branching repeatedly to form a mass of fine roots. Fibrous root does go very deep in the soil. Example: grasses, wheat, rice, palm, etc. have fibrous roots. Function of roots. Roots attach the plant body to the ground. It provides support to the plant and helps in holding the plant firmly in the ground. Root hairs of the plant absorb water and mineral from the soil and pass it to the stem. Some roots like carrot, radish, etc. also store the food in them. Stem. It supports the upper parts of plant. It carries the water and nutrients needed for plants to grow from roots to leaves and food produced by the leaves so other part of plants. Big trees like neem, mango, peepal, etc. have strong, thick and woody stem. Such stem is called trunk. Some plants have thick but soft stem. Example: banana. Some plants have weak, soft and green stem as in case of climbers and creepers. Example: watermelon, money plant, etc. Function of stem. Stem provides support to the plant, absorb the ground. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Stem transport water and minerals from root to other parts of the plants. It also transport food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plants. Some underground stem stores food such as sugarcane, potato, ginger, etc. Leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. The outer surface of the leaf has a waxy coating which protects the leaf. The flat surface of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. It has veins running across within the leaf. Tiny opening on the surface of the leaves called stomata helps in the exchange of gases. Stomata can be seen only under microscope. Function of leaves. These are the parts of the plant where food is made by the process of photosynthesis. That's why leaves are called the food-making factories of green plants. Chlorophyll present in the leaves use the energy in sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide gas into sugar and oxygen gas. Leaves gives out oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. All living beings need oxygen to live. Some leaves store food in them such as mint, cabbage, etc. Flowers. Flowers are the most attractive part of a plant. Each flower types have a different physical structure, color and scent from those of other flowers type plants. Buds of the plants grow into flower and flower finally becomes fruit enclosing the seed or seeds. Some fruits have one seed such as mango and cherry. Some fruits have many seeds such as papaya and watermelon. Use of flower. Many flowers such as rose and jasmine are used for making perfumes. Some flowers edible such as cauliflower, broccoli and banana. Some spices are obtained from flowers such as saffron or kesar from crocus flower and cloves. Dried flower. Flowers are used for decoration on different occasions and for preparing bouquet, garlands and rangoli. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. If you want this kind of videos more, then stay tuned and thank you for watching.